Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing credentials and confirming access. Generate a personal access token with repo and workflow scopes, or ensure your SSH key is loaded. Open Cursor and pick the Integrations panel. Choose GitHub MCP. Once done, authenticate with the token or SSH agent so Cursor can list repositories. Make sure you select the exact repo and branch for the MCP connection. This avoids mismatches later. This step gives Cursor the permission it needs to access CI artifacts and commit states for the MCP link. Next, configure the MCP mapping inside Cursor. Pick the repository and the MCP-enabled branch, then enter the workflow name and artifact path so Cursor knows where to pull build outputs. Map environment variables and secret names used by your MCP so runtime contexts align. Choose between webhook-driven sync for immediate updates or polling with a sensible interval for low-noise operation. Once saved, Cursor will attempt an initial fetch. Monitor logs to confirm artifacts and metadata resolved correctly, then continue to finalize runtime behavior. Finish by validating end-to-end operation. Trigger a test workflow run in GitHub and confirm Cursor fetches the artifact and applies MCP settings. Run a sample task in Cursor to ensure environment variables and secrets resolve and that outputs match expectations. If something fails, check common culprits: token scopes or expired PAT, incorrect branch or workflow names, failed webhook deliveries, or repository permissions. Make sure to inspect Cursor logs and GitHub action logs for clear error messages to speed troubleshooting, and then retry the connection.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.